If you're currently working in retail, fast food, sales, truck driving, call center, or as an assistant, there's a good chance your job may not exist in 10 years. 2 words, bro. Bullshit. That's 1 word. I got 1 word for you, bro. You're dumb. No, I'm serious. Lots of jobs are going to be lost because of AI and automation. For example, do you buy most of your stuff in store where a cashier accepts your payment? Bro, I buy all my shit online like an adult, and when you call your credit card company, does a person answer the phone and help you? First off, you're still dumb. Second, who the makes phone calls anymore? You just sign onto the internet and click buttons, bro. Oh. Damn, that's crazy, bro. I don't get it. In this video, I'm going to talk about 4 reasons why you should learn to code in 2021. The first reason is job security and career outlook. When you search for a job on a job posting website, you want that search to return as many results as possible. So if you get sick of your job or you get bored, you have lots of options. And you'll usually get a nice pay bump in the process. As of December 2020, searching Glassdoor for software engineering jobs in Seattle returned over 5,000 results. I ran a similar search for office assistant positions, and that search only returned about 1,800 jobs, which are probably extremely competitive. And just to get a better idea of the overall market, I also searched for sales positions, accounting, and even doctor and lawyer positions. Sales returned about 2,700 jobs, accountants showed about 550, doctors showed 225, which keep in mind it takes about 10 to 15 years to become a doctor and hundreds and thousands of dollars. And lastly, searching for lawyer positions returned about 215 jobs. And similar to doctors, it takes about 7 to 10 years to become a lawyer and hundreds and thousands of dollars. Bro, why would you waste your time going to med school? People get medical help online now. Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. This one time, I had this itch, so I went to Reddit and I asked, what? Bro, they really helped me. It turned out to be eczema. Oh, okay. On my ass. Come on, man. According to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, the projected change in employment from 2019 to 2029 for software developers is 22%. In other words, that search I did earlier that returned about 5,000 software development jobs, that'll turn into 6,000 over the course of 10 years. Let's compare this growth to the other jobs I mentioned earlier. So again, according to the United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, accounting positions will increase 4% over the next 10 years, doctors 4%, administrators and assistants -9%, lawyers 4%, and sales, retail, fast food -2%. So if you just learn how to code, you'll open yourself up to over 4 times the amount of opportunities than the other jobs I mentioned. The last thing I want to talk about when it comes to job security is AI and automation. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're working retail, sales, fast food, call center, there's a good chance that your job may not exist in 10 years. This is due to how good AI has become and the amount of automation that's being introduced in the world. On top of that, COVID-19 will not be the last pandemic we experience. According to an article published by the AARP back in July, link in the description below, 34% of service workers were laid off, 41% experienced reduced hours, and 43% had their pay reduced. You'll see similar numbers in arts, design, and entertainment industries, small business owners, construction workers, sales, office workers. Nowhere in that article does it even mention software development. Okay, that was depressing. Let's talk about something more fun. One of the main reasons people even consider learning how to code is because of how much money you can make as a software developer. For an in-depth view on this topic, I have a video you can watch that talks about how much money software developers make. But in short, if you work at a medium to large size tech company in a common metropolitan area, you can expect an entry-level software engineer to make about $100,000 a year. As you get more experience, you can expect to make $2, $3, sometimes even over $400,000 per year. For example, Netflix, who only hires senior level engineers, start them off at over $400,000 per year. What's crazy is you don't even need a degree to learn how to code. You don't have to be good at math, you don't even have to like math. Which brings me to my next reason why you should learn to code. The biggest misconception about writing code is that you need to be good at math. For the most part, this is false. You don't even have to like math to be proficient or to even enjoy coding. Companies like Apple, Google, Netflix, Tesla, IBM no longer require their candidates to have 4-year degrees. This is because they understand that skills are more important than credentials or titles. Even Elon Musk said that he doesn't consider going to college evidence of exceptional ability. This is awesome because that means you don't have to spend tens and thousands of dollars on a 4-year degree, which by the way, realistically, it's 5 to 7 years. So instead of spending 4 years on that degree, just spend 6 to 12 months, learn how to code, and you can either freelance or get a full-time job. Bro, I don't like math. I had a bad experience, okay? This one time, my professor asked me to stay after class, and he got all hot and sweaty watching me draw triangles. I guess you can say I have acute trauma. I guess you can look at that story from as many angles as you want. Nah, but really though, bro, I need some therapy. Maybe I'll call up, Dr. Pythagoras. Yeah, no one cares. Anyways, like I said, you don't have to be good at math. You don't have to like math. A lot of jobs in software development only require real basic math. Oh, dope. I'm gonna get a job at SpaceX then. Cash me at Mars, bro. I'm gonna have some drinks on the rocks. I guess you can say the boys and I will be Martian down to the bar, bro. Fucking love Mars. Well, hold on. If you want to be writing code that controls the rockets at SpaceX, you're gonna have to know math. You're gonna have to be good at math because it's literally called rocket science. Bro, are you mansplaining me? Wait, what? Oh my, you're mansplaining, bro. You're gonna get canceled so hard for this. What just happened? Please don't cancel me. I have kids. Before I talk about the last reason why you should learn to code, Chad has a question of the video. Alright, bro. This question is controversial. This question's hard, bro. Baked or mashed potatoes? Leave a comment below. Brotato. I love my job. Shut up. Anyways, it sounds cliche, but writing code can be creative just like writing a book, doing graphic design, even making music. When writing code, you can be verbose, you can be concise, and you can add your own style to it. When I'm designing an application or adding a feature to an existing application, it's really common for me to create these really colorful flowcharts and diagrams to help visualize how something's gonna work. Depending on the type of code you write, you could be creating something that a user will interact with. Imagine all the apps you have installed on your phone. Everything you see and interact with was most likely designed and created by a team of software developers. It's also extremely satisfying to see people use the thing that you built, whether it's a website, mobile app, or video game. Again, the same way you would create art, music, books, you get to share it with the world, and it's a really, really good feeling. So if you're watching this and you're looking to change your career or pick up a new skill, I highly recommend you learn to code in 2021. It's not the easiest thing to learn, and it's okay if you don't absolutely love it, but a software developer salary will give you the financial freedom to do the things that you do love. Wow, bro, I was dumb, and so were you. You better destroy that like and subscribe button below, and I better see you in the comments. And scene.